Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil change of Ford 150 F150 year 2017. Okay, so after you get the oil change, you need to do just turn on. I mean, start the engine. Okay, so start the engine. You will see they have the notice like okay, oil change required. So you don't have to press any button. First of all, you see that this is like okay. So what you need to do, press okay. So it's disappear. Okay, and on the navigation here, on here, you just click on this side, and it's come out like display mode, field trip, toll road, off-road setting, so on. You need to do is press up button to select it. So you select display mode. So you select the display mode, and in display mode you roll up and down okay, you up until you see like percent oil life. So right now mine is 0%. So you can see like here, hold okay to reset the oil life. So this is the button. All right, so right now I'm gonna hold it. Okay, press and hold, and now percent of oil life is 100. That's it. That's how to reset the oil change of F150 year 2017. I didn't show you how to do the oil change. It is because I changed with the synthetic oil and synthetic filter before, so it's got like 15,000 miles. So I already, right now this is a second time, so it's 10,000. So I have another one, it's a third time. I will just reset it, and that is the time I'm going to change the oil. Right, thanks for watching, and if you like, please hit like or share and hit subscribe button. Thank you very much.